Still in Kaduna State government has ordered immediate restoration of telecommunications service in areas where the facility was earlier suspended for security reasons. Commissioner for Internal Security and Home Affairs Samuel Arawan said this while addressing newsmen in Kaduna. Here's the brief.
The immediate restoration of telecommunication services which were suspended in some local government areas. Security agencies had requested a shutdown in October 2021, among other measures to assist ongoing operations against armed bandits and other criminals. The security agencies have now notified the government that telecom services can be restored. The government wishes to reiterate that the other measures announced as part of the security containment orders remain in force. These include the prohibition of motorcycles across the state, all over the state, the ban on weekly markets, transportation of cattle, and the prohibition of sale of fuel in jerrycans in specified local government